Sup everybody, Logan here from Crypto Videos, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Huma Finance token. Now this token just became available for pre-market trading and is also getting a very big central exchange listing soon. So we're going to talk about the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, their webpage is huma.finance. Over there you can find all sorts of social links. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project here. They also have, looks like a document section on their webpage too as well. And this token just became available for pre-market trading on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So pre-market trading, it's not the official token. These are pre-tokens. And the listing will be on Mexc Global as well for the full token when it becomes available. But for now, you can get the pre-tokens on Mexc. And if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone, search HUMA, and then simply just buy the pre-tokens. Now, keep in mind the pre-tokens are not the full tokens, but the full token will be listed on Mexc Global soon. When the token generation event happens. And if you follow the Twitter right here, which is at Huma Finance, they will announce on there when the listing will be. And it's getting listed on a bunch of very big central exchange listings. If you scroll through their most recent tweets, there's going to be tons and tons of listing announcements there pop up for this token as it gets closer to the TGE. Now, Huma is the first PayFi network and a pioneer in the rapidly growing PayFi ecosystem. It enables global payment institutions to settle payments 24/7 using stablecoins and on-chain liquidity, bringing speed, transparency, and efficiency to traditionally slow financial infrastructure. Now, there's a total supply of 10 billion Huma tokens, and Huma is powering the future of PayFi. Now, they do have a article that you could check out that is listed in their most recent tweet here, introducing the Huma token. And they have the tokenomics on there. So it says 11.1% of the tokens go to the protocol treasury. 5% goes to initial airdrop. 31% of the tokens go to liquidity pool and ecosystem. 7% central exchange listings and marketing like Mexc Global. Then we got 4% going to market making and on-chain liquidity. 2% went to the pre-sale. 20.6% goes to investors. And 19.3% team and advisors. Now, they do have a blog article, a bunch of blog articles. One of them is Understanding the PayFi Stack, the tech that powers a new financial paradigm. So it says the key takeaways from this article, which we're not going to go over the full article, obviously, but it says Huma pioneered an open framework for the PayFi stack divided into 6 layers to facilitate payment financing solutions globally. Also transaction layer, high-speed, low-cost blockchain L1s and L2s ensure efficiency and security in transactions. Currency layer, so stablecoins and yield-bearing currencies facilitate seamless, stable, and compliant payments. Custody layer, so advanced solutions like MPC and smart contract-based custody manage secure asset ownership and real-time settlements. Compliance layer, so integrates global regulations using on-chain identity to ensure regulatory adherence. Financing layer connects capital with demand through transparent tokenized asset and risk management on the blockchain. And application layer provides the infrastructure for building intuitive and compliant financial applications using the stack's capabilities. So they have the webpage here has a link on the webpage to their application. So if you go to huma.finance, you will find that. The first PayFi network, Huma accelerates global payments with instant access to liquidity anywhere, anytime. Permissionless DeFi yield powered by real-world payment flows. Choose how to earn and how to connect to DeFi on the Solana blockchain. Now they have here, it says $4.4 billion total transaction volume so far, $104 million total active liquidity, 10.5% real yield, and 17.5 times rewards. Now, it says modern payments need modern infrastructure, so the PayFi stack delivers a modular 6-layer framework to accelerate payments spanning high-speed chains, stable coins, custody compliance, financing, and applications, accelerating global money movement with cross-border payment financing. Settle cross-border payments instantly without pre-funding, eliminating delays, capital lockups, and unnecessary costs. Stablecoin-backed cards transform card payments with stablecoins, real-time settlement, on-chain control, and lower fees by design. T+O settlement, institutional-ready same-day settlement that eliminates capital inefficiencies and accelerates financial operations across borders. Trade finance, modernize how suppliers get paid, faster settlements, less friction, more growth. D-PIN financing, unlock capital and D-PIN networks with innovative financing solutions built for a new era of infrastructure. So they have instant liquidity, built-in risk management, they're compliant, and have open architecture. Backed by a whole bunch of big companies on their webpage, huma.finance. You can find the Twitter, you can find the Discord, a LinkedIn, YouTube channel, blog articles. You can subscribe to a newsletter. There's a full audit document section. Go check it all out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.